strings to stitch them together. Okay, let's print today again and make sure we're getting exactly what we expect and want. Okay, that looks better. Let's go ahead and remove all of our previous print statements, keeping our code squeaky clean. And then we could have done this all in one line, but it's generally a bit better if we split this into multiple lines. And even better if we mention comments about what we're doing. So we're going to say we just want the month and day. We don't care about the year. Now we can, or we don't care about the hours here.